Hey guys, Julia Usher here. If you don't know me, I'm a cookie artist most known for my 3D cookies, which is exactly what we'll be doing in this tutorial. We'll be creating this gorgeous 3D cookie cake stand in two styles. It's designed to display sweets or to be used as a companion to my earlier 3D wedding cake cookie video. We'll launch this tutorial with all you need to make the project, and then we'll dive into 11 cutting, decorating, and construction techniques, starting first with how to cut oversized cookies to make the plateau that goes on top. Next, we'll turn to contoured cookies, namely cutting and shaping half cylinders to form the supports of both cake stand styles. We'll also be making embossed and contoured cookie trims to cover the edges of the cake stand plateau. The second cookie style begins with a Franken cookie base, basically a modified cookie shape, so I'll be showing you how to make that as well. And then once the half cylinders are cooled, they'll get trimmed and filed and prepped for 3D single level assembly, which is basically forming fully formed cylinders using thick royal icing glue. Then we're ready to decorate. We'll turn to precision control airbrushing and stenciling techniques to decorate the top of the plateau as well as the base for style 2. And also the modeling chocolate or fondant wraps that will cover the cylinder for style number 1. Lastly, or second to last I should say, we'll be adding modeling chocolate trims for additional decorative detail and also to cover seams along the top of the plateau. And then last but not least, we'll be adding simple but beautiful piped beadwork. Once all of the individual components are decorated, we'll move on to putting them together using various multi-level assembly techniques. The second style with a stemmed pedestal will require a centering dowel for added stability, whereas the first style will not. The choice is yours. If you miss any of this, no worries. As always, I've got a detailed handout that comes with the tutorial. I encourage you to download it. It's got additional technique tips, recipes, inspiration images, and more. I hope you enjoy this video, and again, let me reinforce that it's very scalable. If you want to keep it quick and easy, simply decorate it with store-bought candies or cookies, or if you want to scale it up, by all means, create my 3D wedding cake cookie and stack it on top. Till next video, live sweetly.